Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn lecture notes, easy method. Start by organizing your notes into clear topic sections and set a focused 25-minute review timer. Read actively, highlight key ideas, then rewrite each concept in your own words to cement understanding. Next, teach the material aloud for 5 minutes per topic and finish sessions with a quick self-quiz and spaced review plan. Start sessions by quickly skimming your lecture notes to map the structure and identify main headings. Then read each section slowly, highlighting only core terms and writing one concise margin summary. Convert headings into questions to answer from memory, and pause often to paraphrase ideas aloud. These steps make passive reading active and create durable cues for later recall during review sessions and quizzes. After studying each topic, close your notes and do a brief self-quiz to force retrieval and highlight weak spots. Space these review sessions across days with increasing intervals to build long-term memory. Practice explaining concepts as if teaching a friend to reveal unclear points and reinforce understanding. Finish by correcting errors and repeating difficult items until you can recall them confidently without notes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.